Hey everyone, this is Matt with Nina Wynn. Today we're going to look at our starter kit for permanent jewelry, everything that we offer. So we've put together this starter kit to try and problem solve everything that you need in order to get up and running as quickly as possible. We have all the tools and equipment here, and we're going to discuss each component. These are your jump rings, so that's what you will use to connect the chains. So the kit comes with jump rings to get you started. And over here you have the pliers. So these are called cutters. This is what you use to cut the chain. So they are flush cut pliers used to cut silver chain, gold filled chain, and solid gold chain. So really high quality pliers. Most importantly, you have your grounded pliers. So these are grounded so they connect to your welder. Very important. We have designed these in-house because they are nice and pointy and they let you manipulate tiny little jump rings. So 1.6, 1.8 millimeter, 22, 24 gauge jump rings can be opened and closed. We send you 2 pairs of pliers. So these, you notice, don't have a cord, so they're not grounded. But you need 1 pair of pliers in each hand in order to open and close the jump rings. All of the pliers on the market currently tend to be very flat and square, and it's very difficult to open and close jump rings with those. So that's why we highly recommend using our pliers for that. Tape measure. I don't use this too much anymore, but when you get started, it's nice to measure your chain, measure people's wrists or ankles. I do use this in the rare instance that I put a belly chain on a client. So it's nice to have. Little scrap trays, so sharp edge scrap trays to gather all of your scraps at the end of the day or as you go along. Very convenient. Very important, leather patch. So you need this to protect your client's wrist or ankle, protect their skin from the weld. So we have shaped it so that it's convenient to tuck underneath the chain. We've shaped it so that you can tuck this underneath a finger ring if you're doing a finger ring. So very important. A little nail file. Giving your tungsten electrode on the welder a quick clean. Convenient to have that. We also have a little rubber placemat. It's nice to have a surface on which to cut your chain and manipulate your jump ring. If you drop your jump ring, it doesn't bounce around. Your rubber mat will catch it. Another very nice feature of this kit. So auto darkening welding goggles. So when you're doing anklets, you can't use the auto darkening lens that comes with your welder unless you put your client's foot into it. So we always recommend protecting your eyes. So use your auto darkening welding goggles here for anklets and for necklaces. We also send you a couple of magnifiers. So this is your typical jeweler's loupe for checking your weld. You always want to visually inspect your weld, so we recommend doing that with these. Obviously, you want to test your weld with your pliers, so you send your client out the door with a solid weld. Second set of magnifiers for checking gemstones or checking your gemstone connectors. So use these. So that's everything. So we've basically problem solved everything that you need in order to get up to speed as quickly as possible, and we've included them in this kit. Thanks very much. Hey everyone, Matt with Nina Wynn. So I just want to show you our silver chain starter kit. 24 inches of each of our best sellers. They come elegantly packaged in this box so that you can take them out and display them this way to your clientele. Again, we try to solve all of the problems to get you up to speed as quickly as possible. We have rope chains, we have Figaro chains, we have 3 different styles of paper clips, we have the ever popular little silver hearts, and probably one of our best sellers is the Horizon bar chain. So again, we've put it together in our best selling package for you to go to market and to be up and running with your clients as quickly as possible.